In this video, I am going to guide you on how to schedule weekly loan care on HomeAdvisor. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the HomeAdvisor website or app on your device. 2. Sign into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. 3. Click on the search bar and type loan care services. 4. Select your location or enter your zip code to find nearby providers. 5. Browse the list of available loan care professionals and check reviews and ratings. 6. Choose a provider that offers weekly loan care services. 7. Click on the provider's profile and select Schedule Service. 8. Choose the recurring option and set your preferred schedule for weekly visits. 9. Enter your payment information and confirm the booking. 10. Review the confirmation details and save them for reference. By following these steps, you can easily schedule weekly loan care services on HomeAdvisor. Regular maintenance ensures your loan stays healthy and looks great. Keep track of the schedule for any adjustments needed.